What's up, team? Fullest this again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So we're here to do another get ready with me. I'm going to take the LA Girl eye primer. I'm gonna use this to prime my eyes. I have been loving this primer. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just into this primer. I've had this primer for a very long time and I've not been really using it, but these few days I have just been loving the way it looks on my eyes. Yeah, so I have been using it a lot. I'm just gonna use that to prime my eyes so that my eyeshadow has a base and my eyeshadow can blend in very nice. And I really love the way this eye primer is looking. So now I'm going to take this NYX eyeshadow palette. This is their neutral eyeshadow palette. I used to love and play with this eyeshadow a lot. If you're all subscribers, you know. So I'm going to take that nude shade. I'm going to put it on the eyelid in the inner corner. I'm just going to blend it on top. As you guys can see, when you put a whiter eyeshadow base and blend it into the eyes, very nice. It's when you put an eyeshadow, it blends very nice. And this is the reason why I don't know that I have been loving this eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna take that neutral shade. I'm just gonna put it on the eyelids, make sure I blend it very nice. Now I'm going in with this brown, a little bit like a brown with an orange undertone. That's what it looks like. It looks like this really nice brown orange shade, but I'm gonna use this to transition. I'm just gonna blend this on my eyes, my brow bone, make sure I blend it really nice. I really love this palette. I used to play with it a lot, but for, you know, when you get a lot of makeup, sometimes you don't really use everything. So now I'm working on other things, and so we are not really buying makeup right now, to be honest. You guys can see for a while now I have not been really reviewing new products, and I only pick up some beauty blender because I need some new beauty blender. So that one that video will be up very soon, show you guys how I use it on my face, just to see the results and the review of the beauty blender. But your girl has been saving for new things. We are saving for new stuff, so we are not really in the mood of buying makeup right now because I do have a lot of makeup, and I feel like, yeah, I just need to work with what I have. There are other important things and just keep on buying makeup. I do have a lot which I can create different looks. So that is what we are doing now for a while. But if something comes out that I really think I really want to have and I really like it, I may end up buying it. But for now, I'm not just going to be buying everything that comes out, because we have other things to do. We have other things to do with money. So yeah, the eyeshadow is self-explainable because I feel like I don't know how to explain to you guys how I'm doing my eyeshadows. But if you guys are watching my tutorials, you guys can see. That's why I like to do things step by step, because I just do it so you guys can see. It's not difficult. It's a very simple eyeshadow look, and I really love it. It turns out really nice. I was going out with a friend just to have some good time, and I thought, you know what, let me just come and sit down in front of the camera and do some makeup look and share with you guys. And then I'm gonna take that darker shade, I'm going to put it on the outer corner, and I'm just going to play with it and just blend it to my liking. I will be reviewing most of my old eyeshadow palette that I just use like 1 or 2 times, and I just have them lying down in the house. So I'm going to be playing with those eyeshadow palettes more often, because I feel like, yeah, I just buy them and you just use them once and you just have them lying down and you keep on buying new product. And I feel like there's other plans, you know. I'm getting older. I'm 28, we'll be 29 next year. So there are a few plans that we needed. There are a few goals. There are goals that we have written down that we needed to achieve, that we needed to get there by the grace of God. So let's use our money to do other things, not only buying different makeup. Is they come up with the same makeup and the same colors all the time. So yeah, I'm just going to be using the ones I have and create different looks for you guys. So yeah, that's what your girl is doing. So I hope you guys will like that. And if you guys do, please leave a comment down in the comment box. I picked up this new eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal, yeah, L'Oreal eyeliner. I pick it up. I want to try something new, and I kind of say I really like it. I actually love the Maybelline eyeliner, but they didn't have it in store, so I pick up the L'Oreal, and it was my first time, and I kind of like it. I kind of like the way it's smoothly blend and smoothly line the eyes without no crazy obstacles. And now I'm going to use my favorite, which is the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Sun Goddess. You guys know this is my favorite. Some of you guys ask, what do I film with? Yes, guys, I've said it many times. I use my mobile phone to film. I know it's crazy. I went ahead and buy a very expensive camera and lenses and spend a whole bunch of money, and then a couple of months later my old phone break down. The kids, let me not say that my phone break down, the kids end up breaking my phone, and I decided to buy a new phone, and I pick up the Huawei Data Pro, and I tried it once and I filmed with it once, and the quality was good. Since then, I have not touched my camera. It's easy to film with a mobile phone, and you just edit it on the phone. It's so easy. You're not sitting on the computer a couple of hours and hours. It's so easy to film on the phone. So yeah, I'm using my phone to film, but I still have my camera. I'll definitely go back and play with my camera, but the camera is still there. I'm not getting rid of it. We just put it there for a backup. But for now, the phone is giving me a good quality, and I love the finished result. I love editing on the phone. It's very simple. It's very easy. The only thing is that you guys are seeing all the details on my background, but I feel like it doesn't matter. It looks decent. I hope you guys don't mind all the details on the background, but I feel like it looks decent. It looks okay. So yeah, but guys, I always like to change things up. Sometimes I change around the house. I change different spots. But so far so good. I haven't had any complaint of, oh, the background is distracting you guys. But if you guys feel like the background is distracting, please let me know in the comment box. Maybe I'll go back to my camera, or maybe change the position of where I film and sit in a different area. But so far so good. I love the finished result I always get with the camera. The camera is nice, it's beautiful. Sometimes the lighting do play with me a little bit, I won't lie, but sometimes, most of the times, it's great. It comes out great, and I really like it. So yeah, just blending that on the eyes and just blend everything that you guys know. Everything I use the Makeup Revolution concealer as a foundation. I use their concealer, C14.7 or something, 0.5. I use that underneath my eyes, and I use the Makeup Revolution setting powder in medium beige. That is what I use, and I just love the way the eye look. I do have some few other powders that I really need to try. I need to play with different other products that I do have. So that's the reason why I'm like, you know what, there's no need to be spending money buying new things. Let's save up for some more important things and play with the old stuff that I have. I'm just your everyday girl. I'm just the girl next door. I'm not I'm just the girl next door. I think, like, I'm a mom. I do have kids, so we need to plan ourselves and think about what things are the most important things in life. Yeah, I love doing beauties, and I feel like I do have a lot of product to play with. So we're gonna play with what I have at the moment. Cut your code according to your size. Life is not a competition; it's a journey. So yeah, and I really love how this eye is standing. Everything is looking good. My hair, oh my god, my hair is starting to grow again. The relaxer is starting to get very strong and very thick on the roots. So I don't know, maybe I'm thinking of just cutting the relaxed hair again. Like, this is me. For me, I'm not really into, like, oh, long hair, beautiful. Oh no, I just want to play with my hair. If you guys have known me for a very long time now, you guys know, like, I always curl my hair. Today I will have long, tomorrow I'll have it short. It's just me. I just like to experiment and play with my hair. So I'm a little bit thinking of cutting the relaxer off again. I don't know, but yeah, Let's see how things go. But your girl is a little bit tempted again to cut this thing up. But we are entering into the colder season. But this month, I don't know if you live in Holland. This September has come with beautiful weather. It's been a long time in Holland that we have such beautiful weather in September. So I don't want the heat of the sun to deceive me because we're entering into the winter. So I don't know if I'm gonna cut my hair, but I'm tempted. I'm kind of a little bit tempted to cut my hair and start growing my natural hair again because I love my natural hair. Not that I don't love it. So people think when you relax your hair, you don't love your natural hair. I do. Even when I relax my hair, I always make DIY hair products for my hair. But yeah, it is what it is. So now I'm going to take that bronzer, and this is the NYX. This is the Sleek face palette. I think this is the medium. I love the shimmery bronzer. It's very, very beautiful. So guys, we are going for a bold red lip. Yes, I'm going to use the Nabla Cosmetic red lipstick. You guys know this is one of my favorites. I need to pick up some more because this one is almost, the container is getting empty. And I just love this lip gloss. It's very beautiful. It's really, really nice. I think Nabla Cosmetic is their lipstick is one of my favorite. The formula is one of my favorite. I've said this a couple of videos, I think long time ago, that I said that Nabla Cosmetic, their lipstick is one of my favorite formula. And it blends smoothly into the lip. The colors are beautiful. It stays very beautiful, and I really love how it looks. It is very beautiful, and I love the way it looks on my lips. My lips are looking beautiful. So yeah, I like to just line my lip perfectly. So now I'm going to take that Makeup Revelation Empire Tissue Brights collab. I'm going to use the highlighter to highlight, put it a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes, and then use it also on my brow bone, just a little bit. We don't want too much, just a little bit go a long way. And I really, really love this palette. It's beautiful. I use this palette sometimes as an eyeshadow. I use it as a face bronzer, highlighter, and blush, but I can also use it as an eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna highlight the cheekbone. Don't want to put too much, just a little bit. A little bit go a long way. I like to highlight my cheek and then put it on my chin. You guys know how I highlight all the time. Like, I like to highlight my cheek and then bring it upward a little bit, and then my chin. So yeah. Now we're going to just highlight, and then I'm going to use my favorite setting spray, which is the Makeup Revelation Oil Control Setting Spray. So voila, this is the finished result. So guys, this is the finished result. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this blue jean and this white bodysuit all the way down. So this is what I'm going to wear. I'm just going to wear a black sneaker because yeah, just I love my black sneakers. And this is what the back is looking. I got this top from the Primark, and I got this jean from Bershka, I think from Bershka, and I got this belt from AliExpress. If you guys have watched my AliExpress haul before, you guys have seen this belt there. So I get this belt and also this hand necklace from AliExpress. So guys, this is it. I'm ready to go. I'm sorry I have to do voiceover because the kids were making noise and I was just in a hurry to leave the house. So thank you guys so much. I really, really love this eyeshadow palette. It's very, very beautiful. You guys can see it's so nice, and I love just having neutral shade. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Vergeet niet abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Peace out!